Last week, NBC News got an up-close view of what a typical deportation flight looks like and a step-by-step description of the entire journey from ICE officials who explained the complicated and expensive process. First, it starts with an arrest by ICE agents. Then, immigrants are taken to be detained at more than 100 local ICE facilities. From there, they may have a chance to go before a judge and plead their case. Typically, this process has taken weeks if it's fast-tracked, or if not, it has even taken years. If a judge agrees that the person should be deported, ICE will fly them to one of 4 staging areas.
ICE has about 10 planes just like this that they can use to deport migrants.
This is the end of the journey for them. Every individual that we boarded in the plane had their day before an immigration judge. The case was heard, they had their due process. Every possible remedy that could have been applied or it was exhausted, and it was determined by an immigration judge that they don't have a right to remain in the United States, and that's why they're here today.
Parents who have had children in the United States will have to decide if their children are deported with them or left behind. There are between 15 to 20 guards on board, and everyone is shackled, except for children and parents traveling with kids.
In the last year, ICE was able to remove over 270,000 migrants, many of those on planes just like this. But if the Trump administration wants to deport more migrants, they're going to have to spend more money, not just on planes like these, but on the pilots, the staff, and the detention space to hold migrants before they board these planes. So what will happen to these people when they land in Honduras? How will they get back to their homes?
Their respective government has some assistance, and oftentimes, like here in the United States, there are non-government organizations who wait at the airport and offer assistance to help them get to where they need to go.
Once they land, they'll be interviewed by local officials and given a medical evaluation before being transported to their hometowns.